After the studying pulmonary volume and pulmonary capacities, the next one short point which may be asked for the short answer question for 2 marks, or write a short note on carbon monoxide poisoning. Now the carbon monoxide poisoning, this carbon monoxide is denoted as CO and the word poisoning. Now before studying what is meant by carbon monoxide poisoning, normal mechanism of respiration states that when we inspire, along with the when we inspire, the inspired air, it consists of oxygen, and this oxygen goes into our lungs. From the lungs it goes into our blood, and in our blood there is this oxygen, it combines with the hemoglobin. Hemoglobin, that is respiratory pigment, hemoglobin. This hemoglobin, it is present in RBCs. Okay. Now this oxygen and hemoglobin, there is formation of a stable compound. This stable compound is called as HbO2, or it is called as oxyhemoglobin. What is called as oxyhemoglobin. Okay. This is normal process, and this oxyhemoglobin, from which our cells can utilize the oxygen. Means the formation of oxyhemoglobin, it is very much important factor, that is cell you can utilize this oxygen. Okay. Now the second one aspect is that carbon monoxide poisoning is actually what? When in the closed room, or where the continuously automobile engines running, or sometime incomplete burning, these two conditions, these are responsible for the release of carbon monoxide. Now this release of carbon monoxide, that is this CO, if it is in a closed room, suppose this is a closed room and here is the continuously stove, burners or incomplete burning takes place, the concentration of carbon monoxide is more. Now if a person present in this room where carbon monoxide concentration is high, then the condition takes place, that is carbon monoxide poisoning. Now actually what happened in this? This carbon monoxide, it is having 250 times more, 250 times more affinity towards the hemoglobin. See here, this oxygen, it binds with this hemoglobin. Okay. Whatever this affinity, the affinity of carbon monoxide is 250 times more. Means as compared to oxygen combined with hemoglobin, this carbon monoxide rapidly combines with hemoglobin. And what happened? This carbon monoxide and this hemoglobin, they form a compound which is called as carbaminohemoglobin. What is called as carbaminohemoglobin. Okay. When oxygen combines with hemoglobin, there is formation of oxyhemoglobin. But when carbon monoxide, it combines with hemoglobin, that is Hb, there is formation of carbaminohemoglobin. Now when carbaminohemoglobin is formed in higher amount in our blood, then person suffer from asphyxiation. What happened? Asphyxiation. Now asphyxiation means what? Asphyxiation is a condition in which the person's blood, in which oxygen is less and CO is more. What happened? In case of this carbon monoxide, it becomes more concentration of carbon monoxide, and this asphyxiation CO2. This asphyxiation in extreme cases it may leads into the death, because what, instead of formation of oxyhemoglobin there is formation of which compound, formation of carbaminohemoglobin, and due to the formation of carbaminohemoglobin the cell suffer from oxygen starvation. Starvation, that is lack of oxygen, cells not available the oxygen, that is called as oxygen starvation. And once oxygen cannot used by the cell, less quantity of oxygen, our cell and tissue start to dead. In extreme cases the person's death may takes place. If immediately these are treated with the oxygen and CO2 mixture, then it will be save the life of the person. But immediate treatment is very much important in case of the carbon monoxide poisoning. This question it may be asked for the short note. It is very simple. Main thing is that oxygen and hemoglobin form oxyhemoglobin, due to which cell can utilize the oxygen. This is normal. But when carbon monoxide is more, there is formation of carbaminohemoglobin compound, and formation of carbaminohemoglobin it result into the deficiency of oxygen. There is no oxygen for cell and cell get dead. That is, in extreme cases the person's death may takes place. This is carbon monoxide poison. Thank you.